Hey, people, Kier here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, so we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, but we're only using one. Because most people who start My Lead Gen Secrets and not really sure about the product will only try with one account, and I want to show the type of results they'll get if they do that minimum effort. You know what I mean? May make more than me, may make less than me, but this is what I'm showing you guys, my results. You know what I mean? So anyway, you're interested in following along, the link's in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting $25 business. And that's essentially because it's a funnel builder, and it's a very good product funnel builder. It has no limitations on the funnel builder. Anybody that know about funnel builders knows that you need one to kind of really accentuate your business online, you know what I mean? And so this funnel builder, easy to do, easy to make moves on. It's about as simple as any other funnel builder. If you use the funnel builder before, you can use it. Very simple, very easy, very clean, all that good stuff. You're making minutes, you want $25 a month. That's a very good deal. You get a bunch of other stuff too as well. Very good deal, and that's why I like promoting it, because I feel like the product is worth, you know what I mean? I personally use the product myself, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm not just using it for affiliate. But the second reason why somebody would use this product, and why I'm particularly very interested in the product, and I'm trying to show you guys this product. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, so to speak, it has 80% recurring commission, guys. 80% recurring commission is the highest I have ever seen, heard anywhere. That is ridiculous. You make so much money so quick with very minimal effort, guys. It really don't take much at all, and that's what I like promoting this product. 80% recurring commissions is ridiculous. That's the highest I ever heard. All right, so let's get to it real quick. We're gonna refresh the page, show real results, and so on and so forth, so you know I'm showing real results. But you know, before that, I want to make sure people understand, when you see results, make sure they refresh the page so it show real results. It's very easy to change all these numbers around and make them look like whatever I want them to look like, you know what I mean? But refreshing the page refreshes the page, so it don't stay. Okay, looks like I did not get a sale yesterday. It's totally fine, totally okay. There's no big deal with that at all. Really don't mind that at all, guys. Don't worry about that part there. Very simple, easy, and simple and easy. I don't know what else to say. Not really a big deal. We'll get sales. We always do. It's been working so far. If you've been following along, it's been working so far. I noticed that you can do the same thing, guys. All right, so let's get over to My Lead Gen Secrets. We're gonna keep doing the same thing we've been doing. That's been working with us. That's one thing you need to learn, guys. If something works, just keep doing it. It works for a reason. You know, just stick to it. We're just gonna do that and send that right there. That's the email we send in here, guys. We're just gonna upload the next email in the list there. We're just gonna send it just like that. Make sure you check the link, and make sure you use this link, guys. This is the link we're gonna use, guys. The all-in $25 business. It promotes $20 commissions and $100 commissions. So that's the one you want to use, guys. All right, you put it right there. That's where I put it at, right there, right? That way you use it for your link. Make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect time, it does send an email around time people check emails. So, you know, it's a good chance of them looking at it while skipping it and so on and so forth. Make sure to preview and make sure your link works. So no, mine works because I'm just uploading the old email, so I already done checked it. So we're just gonna send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy to do, very quick, and all of that good stuff. It only took me about 5 minutes, guys, and that's because I was running my mouth the whole time trying to tell you guys stuff. So if somebody like you guys, you already got emails in there, it won't take you less than a minute. Last month I made $680 on this product, just doing this every day, guys. That's a lot. That's a lot for just doing 1 minute of work every morning. 1 minute. 1 minute. You could do this in less than a minute, guys. But I went through the nuance of showing you guys what's going on and stuff. But once you get into it, all you gotta do is come here, upload the email, send. Done. Sit. Less than a minute. Made $680 off of this last month. So it was working, guys. It's really working. I'm just showing you guys. You can make it YouTube, and the results will be your like content. and people are interested in results, seeing results. So I think that work out really well if you're interested in doing that as well. So anyway, guys, make sure if you're following along, the links are in the description below, my affiliate links, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.